Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you have such problem, so if you want to play some of Roblox games and this game doesn't download on your mobile, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. Then open a new tab. And then in the search bar you need to type is Roblox down, then go button, and then you need to go to the first one link. So after that you will see this interface. You need to scroll down a little bit, and then if you see one big spike, it means that today maybe there is a Roblox problem. So and after some time, after a few hours, it will be fixed automatically. But if there is no such spike, the second thing you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings or Android settings, it doesn't matter. Then in this interface you need to scroll down and click on the general option, here it is. Then click on this iPhone storage right up here. Then you need to scroll down and find Roblox application here, right up here. And then in this interface you need to click on the offload app, then offload app again, so it will clear all your cache, or maybe fix some bugs and download the last version of this application. Then click on the reinstall app. So after that you need to wait a little bit, and then you will be able to play all Roblox games. But if you still got this problem, the last thing you need to do is to restart your mobile. So and after that everything will be fixed. So and that's all, and that's how to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.